Hi guys, it's Patrick Ross here. I just wanted to share a very quick success about my phone calls that I've been making and receiving lately. So prior to the Pro90d speech system, I used to struggle all the time on the phone, just answering and saying hello. For some reason, just answering and saying hello was a massive struggle for me. Not so much when I've got started speaking on the phone, it's easy, but it's just that initial saying hello and answering the phone. There's just so much pressure for some reason. But now that I have been using an introductory word before I say hello, for example, yes hello or yeah hello, which is very natural, it has relaxed me down and calmed me down a lot, and I'm able to make phone calls and receive phone calls very easily now. I don't get very anxious about making phone calls. It's very easy now, which prior to the Pro90d was, a massive struggle for me. So I'm going to keep making phone calls, just random phone calls, and getting a lot better at it. And yeah, so that's my small success, and I hope you guys have a good day.